have I seen that guy before?
Are you seriously still watching that documentary?
What? It's cool.
I'm gonna get food, but I'll leave you to it.
Okay. Goodbye, honey bunches.
Hey.
Hey, Apple, how you doing?
It's a pal.
Yeah, you're right. So, my girlfriend's gone right now, and I've been looking to take a bite out of that apple. You know what I'm saying?
I'm pulling up now.
You read my mind.
I've arrived.
I've been really trying, baby.
Oh my god, I love that part.
Look at that dumb monkey. He looks just like Ross.
Yeah.
Hey, babe, be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay. Oh my god. Why did he change his password? Who is this?
Ugh. I wouldn't go in there for a few hours.
Ugh. Hey, who keeps texting you?
Oh, that's nothing.
Okay, so tell me how my boyfriend is talking to this. I don't know, but can you believe it?
I can believe. He's an a-hole.
Literally. But I just want to know who this girl is.
Well, I hope he finds out. I have to do something.
Oh, she got a boyfriend? She didn't even tell me? Who is this person?
Facial profile recognized. Welcome, ex-girlfriend.
I can't believe he cheated on me with my best friend. I can't believe my best friend cheated on me with my boyfriend. Can you believe it? 2 years and he really did this to me? I have the best pictures from her and the best pictures from him. That's it. I'm gonna post it on social media and they're gonna get my revenge.
Shit. Damn.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Viola, Lewis, attorney at law.
Nice to meet you.
I spoke to you both on the phone, correct?
Yes.
And what seems to be the problem?
My ex-girlfriend, her former best friend, without our knowing, snuck onto both of our phones and, how do I put this? Exposed some pictures, if you will.
What type of pictures exactly?
Inappropriate ones. If you catch my drift.
I completely understand.
Like panorama shot, that's how big it was, kind of picture.
So you guys are here for, I'm going to assume, a consultation to see how you guys can go about.
Yes, we are, to say pissed off would be an understatement. We're emotionally distressed. Our lives have been ruined. And
because of these said pictures, understood.
yes.
Okay, so I'll have to look in my legal encyclopedias on the best way to go about handling this case. There's something on Westlaw, it's 2019, so everything's on the internet now, so you don't need these big books. So, libel and slander, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that. According to the Florida jurisprudence and based on the information that you've provided me, in the section of libel and slander can help your situation. Generally, libel is a malicious publication by writing, printing, picture, effigy, sign that exposes any living person, contempt, ridicule, or public criticism. That causes or tends to cause any person to be shunned or avoided, or that has a tendency to injure any person, corporation, or association in his or her in its business of occupation. So I'm assuming these pictures out and about in the world have kind of affected your social standpoint, like your place of business. So I believe libel and slander is something that could really, really help you guys out.
All right, that sounds like a good start.
And I'll do some more research for you guys to see how else we can go about doing this, all right? Hope I answered some of your questions today.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for visiting me.
Thank you, Ms.
Thank
Davis.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
We don't take this hoe out.
Hello.
Hey, so I was doing some more research on the case
Mhm.
where you had the person come in asking about the photos that were leaked.
Yeah.
I found something on voyeurism in section 1612, Florida jurisprudence.
Yeah.
It says the person who commits voyeurism is someone who, for his or her own amusement, entertainment, sexual arousal, gratification, or profit, or for the purpose of degrading or abusing another person, intentionally uses or installs an imaging device to secretly view, broadcast, or record a person without that person's knowledge and consent, who is undressing or privately exposing the body at a place and time when that person has a reasonable expectation of privacy.
I really like that one. However, I feel like it's reaching where we don't need it to reach. You know, like their case is not simple, but I feel like this is for probably another case. But I did find something on invasion of privacy using Florida jurisprudence. And if we can take a look at Westlaw, jurisprudence and encyclopedias. Because invasion of privacy, because basically what she did was invading their private photos, absolutely. And so what I found was under statute 208, I believe. Yep, statute 208, types of wrongful conduct. And under it, it says, the 3 types of wrongful conduct that can be remedied with resort to an invasion of privacy action are intrusion, physically or electronically, intruding into one's private quarters, public disclosure of private facts, and 3, appropriation, the unauthorized use or appropriation of a person's name or likeness to obtain some benefit. I feel like this would really, really work for their case, as well as statute 95, insult, indignity, inconvenience, and similar factors. He had mentioned that he was emotionally distressed about this, so I was seeing like maybe if this could also work. So under here, what I got was, although liability for intentional infliction of emotional distress does not generally extend to mere insults and indignities, threats or false accusations, under some circumstances, mental suffering may manifest itself in a sense of insult, indignity, or humiliation that arises because of the aggravated character of a tort. So how do you feel?
I feel like this one has a place, but
Is it reaching?
I feel like it's reaching more than the voyeurism. I feel
probably.
like both of those could be used, perhaps to benefit him more.
I feel like we have something. Libel and slander, invasion of privacy, and maybe voyeurism. All right, so I'll give him a call and tell him what we have. Hello, Mr. Jerrod Morgan.
Yes?
This is Viola Davis, attorney at law. I spoke to you earlier this week regarding your case, so I believe that we have sufficient legal research to present your case in the court.
Well, butter my buns and call me Betty Crocker. That's incredible.
All right, so please come by my office tomorrow and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Have a nice day.